Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, as requested, I will be showing you how to change the default tab in Task Manager. If you have a tutorial you would like me to do, then check out my new forum where you can make a request. To start off with, first you need to open up Task Manager by simply right clicking on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and then clicking on Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, you now need to click onto Options, and we now need to go to Set Default tab, and as you can see, it's currently on Processes. To change this, all you need to do is select which tab you would like to have open when you boot up Task Manager. For example, in the tutorial request, they wanted Performance tab to open up when they open up Task Manager. All I need to do is click on Performance, and if I now close down Task Manager and open it up again, as you can see, it's now booted straight onto the Performance tab, and it really is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.